Hi, so today we have a Balance 20X. We'll be installing the LTE-A module into the 20X. Alright, so the module serial number here I have is the FA2E. I'm just going to read out the last 4 digits so you can see it here. Alright, so this is the LTE-A module. Alright, and we have the Balance 20X here. Alright, the last 4 digit of the serial number is 087B. Okay, 7B. Alright, so I'm going to open up the unit as per request to install the module. Alright. Right, so this is the router itself. Okay, so this is a 20X. I'm going to remove it out from the casing. Okay, put the box aside. I'm going to remove from the plastic casing. Alright, so what's going to happen is I need to remove the 4 screws here in order to slide in the expansion kit. Alright, so and at the back you have your 2 cellular antennas and you have your GPS and your 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Okay, so let me take my screws. Alright. Okay, I've gotten the 4 screws out and the flap is out. Okay, now take note of the slot. Okay, so that's where the PCIe slot is, and below here this is where you put in the SIM cards. Alright, so that it allows for dual redundancy SIMs. Alright, but it's only one modem. Alright, so I'm going to put this one aside. I'll return it back to you later. Okay. Now this is the module itself. It's a Cat6 module. And these are the antenna connectors. Okay, so this is where you put in the SIMs. Okay, it takes a full size SIM. Alright, and this is the PCIe connector. Alright, all you have to do is just slide it in like so, and you will catch it. Okay, check. Okay, there's a sound, so it goes in, and all you have to do is just screw back screws. Okay, normally I'll do it crisscross so that it's more balanced out. Alright. So when you're taking it out, if you need to remove it, you just have to crisscross it similarly. Okay. Okay, that's done. Okay, so that's how we have installed an expansion bay for the Balance 20, and this is the metal flap. We'll return it back to you. Okay, let me put it back in here. Okay. And put it in here for you. Okay, let me put it back here. Thank you very much.